Hello student. Today now going about the chapter number 1. We are learning the points, the development of the male gametophytes. Last video we are also seen in a TS of anther. TS of anther, they are divided into two parts. First, anther wall. It is the protecting covering layer of the microspore. They have divided into four parts. First, epidermis. It is the outermost protecting covering layer. Second innermost, it is the endothecium. It is the main point. It is the dehiscence of the anthers. Microspore are mature. These wall are suddenly break and pollen grain are spread into outer side. It is the second innermost layer, endothecium. Third, it is the middle layer. 2 to 3 layers are also present. It is the nutritive layer. They are also provide energy to the development of the microspore. And last, it is the tapetum. Special protein, enzymes are also provide to the microspore. This is the 4 protecting layer. It is the anther wall, and innermost microspore sporogenous cells are present, and these sporogenous cells divides meiotically to produce the 4 haploid microspores or pollen grain. Microspore, it is the pollen grain, male gametes. It is the male gamete. And development of the microspore, this process are called as the microsporogenesis. Now seen in a microsporogenesis or development of the microspore. Each microspore mother cells is diploid cell which with 2 set of the chromosome. And each microspore mother cells divides meiotically to form the 4 haploid microspore or pollen grain in tetrad condition. It means the 4 pollen grains. This process are called as the microsporogenesis. Means sporogenous cells or spore mother cells divides meiotically to produce the 4 haploid pollen grain. This process are called as the microsporogenesis. Usually the arrangement of the microspore is tetrahedral because 4 pollen grains are formed. This process are called as the tetrahedral. In some case, all pollen grains do not separate and form the compound pollen grains. These 4 pollen grains are transferred. The pollen grain do not separate. Example, Drosera, Typha, Eldodia, and Hydrilla, etc. These plants are develop the pollen grain in compound pollen grains. After formation of pollen grain, they have transferred anther to the stigma. This process pollination. This process pollen grain are transferred in group. This is called as the compound pollen grain. Sometimes more than 4 pollen grains are produced from 1 microspore mother cell. Is called as the polyspory. It means that a single microspore mother cell meiotically divides to produce more than 4 haploid pollen grains. This process are called as the polyspory. It means 1 microspore mother cells divides meiotically to produce more than 4 pollen grains. म्हणजे 4 पेक्षा जास्त pollen grain produce करते. This process are called as the polyspory. In example, Cuscuta plants. Cuscuta plants, these plants commonly known as in Marathi Amarvel. These plants has developed the 11 microspore in tetrad. Means one microspore mother cell divides meiotically to produce the 11 microspores. It is also called as the polyspory. This it is called as the polyspory. Okay, in Calotropis, Asclepidaceae family. Calotropis in Marathi name ruich plant. In Asclepidaceae family, all the pollen grains of an anther lobe remains united in single sac. एकाच सॅक मध्ये पोलन ग्रेन प्रेझेंट्स आहेत and they are joined, anther lobes are united. This process are called as the pollineum. Like this diagram, it is the pollineum structures of the Calotropis plants. Two pollinia adjacent anther are attached to produce translator. It is called as the pollineums. Okay, the next. Pollen grain or microspore. Pollen grain and microspore. Pollen grain, it is called as the male gametes. It is the first cells of the male gametophyte. The pollen grain is rounded, oval shape, and triangulars. It is the rounded, oval, or triangular in shape, like this. Three type of the shape in pollen grain. First, it is the rounded in shape pollen grains, oval shape, and triangular shape in pollen grain. These are the three shape of the pollen grain: rounded, oval shape, and triangulars. And most of all, these pollen grains divides meiotically to produce 4 haploid pollen grains. Then it is haploid, unicellular, because and uninucleated. Only one set of the presents in male gametes or pollen grain. Hence, it is also called as the unicellular, uninucleated, and haploids. It is the first cells of the male gametophyte. It is microscopic. It means the ultra microscopic. Its size is very small in size, about 10 to 200 micrometers. It appears like a dust particle. It cannot be seen in a naked eye. In highest size of the microspore is 200 micrometers. It appears like a dust particle. It is also known as the ultra microscopic. Then pollen grains. The pollen grain is covered by the 2 layers. Like this diagram, the pollen grain is covered by 2 wall layers, collectively called as the sporoderms. Pollen grains, it is the pollen grain. They have developed the 2 wall layers. It is also called as the sporoderms. पोलन ग्रेनला 2 प्रोटेक्टिंग कव्हरिंग लेयर्स आहेत. त्यांना आपण काय म्हणलेलं आहे? स्पोरोडॉर्म्स. Outer, it is called as the exine, like this. This outer, it is called as the outer layer, it is called as the exine, and inner layer, these layers are called as the intine. The sporoderms are divided into two layers, outer exine, inner intine. Okay, now see in points. The exine, it is the outer, tough, cutinized, and spiny protective layer. It is very tough layer. Cutinized, spiny protective layer. Spines are present in some pollen grain, and some plants pollen grain are exine, it is very smooth. म्हणजे असं नाहीये की सगळ्याच पोलन ग्रेनला स्पाइन्स प्रेझेंट्स आहेत, असं नाहीये. मोस्टली प्रेफर्ड द insect pollination plant, these plants pollen grain develop the spiny, and some plants prefer the wind pollination. The plants exine it, it is the smooth, plain. Cutinized, spiny आहे, protecting covering layers आहे, it is the exine. This exine, it is made up of highly resistant fatty chemical substance. It is called as the sporopollenin. Exine जी hard tough layer बनलेली आहे, ही कशाने बनलेली आहे? एका fatty chemical substance ने. It is called as the sporopollenin. Okay, then next. This wall of the exine, it is the spiny, it is developed by the sporopollenin. Okay, sporopollenin, it is the most resistance in biological materials. It resistance to biological and physical degradations. Sporopollenin is not degraded by any enzyme, is not affected by the high temperature or strong acid or alkali acid. म्हणजे हा biological physical degradations आहे, it is not degraded, it is not easily break with the help of enzyme, high temperature, strong acids. It is not break the wall, and then it is made of the exine. म्हणून हा hard आहे, tough आहे. It is not easily break because they have made up in a sporopollenin, like fatty chemical substance. It is the exine. But opposite, innermost layer, intine, it is the innermost, second innermost layer, it is also called as the intine. Okay, this intine, inner layer, delicate, continuous, and smooth layer. It is like opposite to exine. It is very smooth layer. It is made up of pectin and cellulose. It is, that is pectocellulose in nature. दोन substance ने बनलेली आहे, pectin आणि cellulose ने. Hence it is also called as the pectocellulose. Exine is very thin or absent in certain area called as the germ pores. काही ठिकाणी exine absent आहे, like these pores. हा पोर्शन्स मध्ये एक्झाइन अब्सेंट्स आहे, त्या पोर्शन्सला काय म्हणलेलं आहे आपण? जम्प पोर्स म्हणलेलं आहे. समटाइम्स देन इट इज नॉट अ कंटिन्युअस लेअर. काही ठिकाणी हे एक्झाइन्स कंप्लीट अब्सेंट्स आहे, मग त्या एरियाला आपण काय म्हणलेलं आहे? जम्प पोर्स म्हणलेलं आहे. इफ इट इज राउंडेड, काही ठिकाणी हे अँथर मध्ये राउंडेड असेल, or germinal furrow like elongated slit-like structures. म्हणजे शिरोसारखं स्ट्रक्चर्स असेल, एखादा थोडा क्रॅक गेल्यासारखं स्ट्रक्चर्स असेल. It is also called as the germinal furrow or silt-like, like this. Germinal furrow means like jump or one, two, or more through one which the pollen tube protrudes. Germinal furrow grew the accommodate the expansion and shrinkage of the pollen due to the change of humidity. Like these structures are the germinal furrow. These. It is the germinal furrow are present, and it is the germ pores. Some enzymes are absent. It is the germ pores. In pollen grain, germ pores are 1, 2, or 3 germ pores are also present. Okay. The next. Depending upon the germ pores, pollen grain are monocolpate, bicolpate, and tricolpate. It means only one germ pores are present. It is called as the monocolpate. Like these examples, only one germ pores are present. It is called as the monocolpate. Two germ spore are present. It is called as the bicolpate. And three germ pores are present. It is called as the tricolpate. The pollen grains are tricolpate with 3 germ pores in most of the dicot plants. Maximum dicot plant मध्ये 3 germ spores present आहेत. And pollen grains are monocolpate with single germinal furrow in monocots. Only one germ pores are present in monocot plants. And few dicot plants are developed the bicolpate. खूप कमी प्रमाणात bicolpate presents असेल. पण मॅक्झिमम डायकॉट प्लांट मध्ये ट्रायकॉल्पेट्स आहे. मोनोकॉट मध्ये ओनली वन germ pores are present, but these germ pores are germinal furrow-like. Only cracks like. It is also called as the monocolpate. Okay. These are the sporoderm, exine and intine. Exine, it is made up by sporopollenin, like fatty chemical substance. Intine, it is made up by pectin and cellulose. It is the very smooth layer. Exine, tough layer, but spines are present, or some pollen grain spine are absent. Okay, then next. In between pollen grain, cytoplasms are present, and only one nucleus are present. Hence, it is also called as the uninucleated, and some vacuoles are also present. It is only one set of the chromosomes. Okay. It is the pollen grain. Development of the microspore, like these structures. It is the 3 shape mostly, rounded, oval, triangular in shape. It always unicellular, uninucleated, and haploid, because only one nucleus are present, and nucleus only one set of the chromosomes. It is the first cells of the male gametophyte. It is size, it's very small in size, ultra microscopic, like dust particles. And pollen grain covered by 2 layers, it is called as the sporoderm. Sporoderm divided into 2 layers, outer exine, inner intine. In between intine, cytoplasm presents. In between cytoplasm, nucleus are present. It is the uninucleated. It is the development of the microspore or pollen grain. Okay, now this video is stop here, and next video will be study on development of the male gametophyte. Okay, now stop here.